Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello, Minecraft adventurers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Division Sigil. This unique item comes from the popular Extra Utilities mod, adding exciting new mechanics to your game. It's not a standard Minecraft item, so understanding its origins is key. Primarily, you'll use it to craft powerful unstable ingots or to carefully remove enchantments from your valuable gear. Let's explore how to find and activate this mystical artifact. Acquiring an unactivated Division Sigil involves a bit of exploration and luck. You'll often discover them hidden within chest loot found in structures like strongholds, mine shafts, dungeons, or desert temples. For a more challenging approach, there's a small possibility of one dropping after you defeat a Wither boss. Some players also find success by automating the opening of numerous loot bags, which can occasionally contain this rare item. Once you have an unactivated sigil, it's time for the activation ritual. First, place an enchantment table on a single grass block with a clear view of the sky. Next, surround this table with 8 pieces of redstone dust, also placed on grass blocks. Wait until midnight, ensuring the entire setup is in complete darkness. Finally, kill any mob directly on the enchantment table to activate all Division Sigils in your inventory. With an activated Division Sigil, you unlock several powerful abilities. You can now craft unstable ingots, which are essential for many advanced recipes, and generate cursed earth for efficient mob farming. The sigil also allows you to remove one enchantment level from your tools, offering flexibility. For an ultimate upgrade, a significantly more complex ritual can transform your activated sigil into a pseudo-inversion sigil, granting unlimited uses.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.